How's it going? Aaron Hardesty here. It's time to do the part 2, actually the redo of the lemon icebox pie. Are you ready? There's Mom. So a common question that was asked last time we made a pie was, there's raw eggs in this. Is it gonna make me sick? If you're curious about that, look it up and see whether or not you can eat it. I can, and it never made me sick. The acid from the lemon actually cooks the egg. It's just a different process. It's like eating ceviche. The acid from the lime or lemon actually makes it to where you can eat it. So, but if you're curious about more, Google it, check it out, and you can learn more about it. All racing.
Testing.
Take 2 on that redo of the lemon icebox pie. So I'm Aaron Hardesty. You might know me from some of my videos. If not, welcome. Hope this is informative on how to make a lemon icebox pie. They're delicious. They're pretty easy to make. Just takes a little elbow grease. We're gonna have our pro, my mother, and my sister, the cooks, show us how to do it. Gonna be working on it and gonna be exciting. So here we are.
We'll be making some lemon pies like we did before, but we're doing it a little bit different.
That's how we do it. Got sis in the background cutting up some fruit for another project right there. Big time in it, rolling it, cutting that fruit. So we're gonna start out by cutting some lemons, and we're gonna juice them. So we've got an
old-time juicer that was my mama's.
And they work good because you can thoroughly get the juice out of the lemons with it. So we're gonna cut a couple, and we'll show you what it looks like as you're doing it.
10-4. Okay, we're gonna cut this lemon in half. Use a sharp knife. Be careful and don't cut yourself. And you're gonna twist this lemon.
The twisty thing.
Twisty thing.
The
juicer.
Twisty juicer thing.
That was my mama's. It's antique.
Yeah.
And you're gonna twist it, 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 until all the juice is out, and then you're gonna see that there's
freeze frame.
Nothing left inside of the lemon.
All right.
But we're not gonna throw this away because we're gonna use the zest, the peel. Okay, so we're gonna put this juice into this strainer.
What's the strainer for?
Well, we don't want the seeds in the pie.
All right, so we've got a little bit more than a cup. Is that okay?
Yeah, I think it'll be fine. We're making 2 pies.
All right, so we just need egg yolks for this. So we've got Emily rocking out the separating of those. So we'll show you her skills on this. The egg yolks are separated and in the bowl. We're gonna add some sweetened condensed milk. We've got Eagle brand here, but whatever brand you can find. Although this is our favorite.
Okay.
So now we need a zesty lemon flavor. So how do you get that?
Zesty, we're going to get the zest off of the skin of the front of the lemon, and we're gonna put it on a fine grained grater, and you just go around the whole way around the lemon. You don't want to get the white. It has to just be the yellow part because the white is bitter. Okay, so we're gonna whisk all of this up and see if we put enough lemon zest in it.
So it's a pint of heavy whipping cream for each pie, and it's got to be whipped up to be made into whipped cream. So we're gonna whip that bad boy up in our ice cold metal bowl. What does it look like? All right, time for the whipped cream now. Woo, man, look at that. That is beautiful. All right, so this is the good part. Well, sort of. Now you got to wait, but now they got to go in the refrigerator for maybe 3-4 hours. So now we're just going to enjoy these jams, kick back and wait for it, and then we're going to crick them back or pull them out, cut them, eat them. It's going to be good.